guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're on our way to the dentist. We're gonna check up on our teeth. I don't actually know what we're getting done today, but I just know that my appointment's due. I think with COVID, like, the communication has just been so poor with myself and the dentist, because now they have like a skeleton team, which basically means that everyone's at home doing emails, but no one's actually picking up the phones. So usually I would know exactly what I'm getting done, but today I don't know what I'm getting done, so I can't tell you guys. But nonetheless, I'm gonna be telling you guys about my dental experience so far, and we're just on our way now. I think we need to take the central line. Let's see where we're going. I need to try the Oxford Circus. We need to go to Central Line, which is over here. The Central Line. The place full up though, not God.
One of my absolute favorite thing about living in Britain is that the transportation system honestly is top tier. Everything is signposted, and even when you're on the trains, there are direct maps, and basically the map has all the stops that the train is going at, so you literally can't get lost. As long as you can read, you can't get lost.
I ain't getting on my knees, baby. So it was just a little bit too noisy for me to actually talk to you guys properly, but I'm literally just at Oxford Circus now, and I'm just going to tell you guys about my dental experience so far in terms of prices, treatment time, how long it's been going on, if I'm happy with the results, what end look I'm going for, and stuff like that. Let me see if I can probably turn up the brightness on this. Ooh. My battery dying. Oh my god, my battery's dying, guys. Let me show you guys Oxford Circus quickly before it dies. Look, this is Oxford Circus. This is all the stores, but now it look proper raggedy because I don't know lockdown and so. But I say get the good things them. Yes, everybody come for them good picture them and so. Down there have all of the fancy store them. Guess, Tory, Coach, Prada, everybody that done this, so. And then we have H&M over here. Let's see if I can get a thumbnail. Oh gosh. Springtime! Let me see if I can change the battery and fix the lighting, and then I'll start talking about the dental treatment with you guys. Alright, I'm just change the battery. Come now, focus the camera. Sure. The focus, you can't even see. Alright, so I'm just change the battery. We're back again, guys. So as I was saying, with my dental treatment, so the aim is to have straight white teeth. You know, everybody want perfect teeth, so I'm looking at my eyes on like pretty teeth, and I had a gap at the front of my teeth here, and I didn't like it. Like, I hated it, so I wanted to close that up. And also I had like an overbite, and I didn't have an overbite. It's not one of the most extreme ones that you've seen, but it was just annoying to me, and I didn't like looking at myself with it. I didn't hate myself or not, but you know, I didn't like looking at my mouth with it, so I got money, so I thought let me fix it. I'm gonna put up a picture of my teeth here, and I'm gonna see if I can ask the dentist to send me my file over just so I can show you guys what we're coming from. So the treatment plan that I'm having is actually the diamond braces, which are just the metal braces. That's not what's in my mouth now, and I'll explain to you guys why later on. But I paid 4,500 pounds to have diamond braces, which are the metal ones. I had the option of also having Invisalign, but I didn't want Invisalign because I can be quite careless and I have bad memory at the moment. Well, I have bad memory, so I knew that if I had gotten the Invisalign, I would have basically been paying more than diamond braces, because I would have been losing like all my trays and stuff, and it's quite pricey to replace them. So I opted for the diamond ones, and my initial treatment plan was actually 6 to 9 months. Babe, I got my braces March 2019. We're in March 2021. It's still in my mouth. It's still in my mouth, okay? So my treatment plan overdue by far. Oh, he let me go? Me? Thank you, you kind. So yeah, my treatment plan is definitely overdue, and that's for various reasons. One of them, obviously, you guys know we have Rona now dealing with, so that pushed it back a bit. And then also I was traveling a lot in 2019, so I missed a lot of my appointments. And also I think the team has different management now, so like they hardly have orthodontists there, so it's just a big hassle basically. But hopefully we're at the final stages now, because I really want to just have nice teeth. I'm tired of braces. So that's treatment time done. In terms of the actual braces on my teeth, so like I said, I got the metal ones, which was very uncomfortable to begin with. Like I believe the first 3 weeks or so, it took a while for me to get used to. Like I remember the top half of my lip, like the top lip, would just be so sore because the braces would just be nedging it, you know, nedging it, like ripping it off the skin. Oh gosh, more nice. I'm gonna continue when I pass these people. I guess I'm gonna go. So I was saying with the braces, yeah, when I just got them, like the first month was so uncomfortable because it would literally just rip my top lip, and also like you just talk a bit weird, almost like you're lisp. So be prepared to have that for at least a month. And also each time you change out your brackets, you may also encounter the same problems again, because it's just the sharpness of it that makes it so painful when it's like rubbing on your flesh over time. But something that I use to counter that is the wax. If you have your orthodontist or your dental hygienist, you can ask them for wax. I don't know if you can purchase it online, but mine normally just gives it for free because it's included in my treatment plan. Okay, so that's that. By the way guys, if I don't cover everything that you want to hear, please just drop it in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to help. I'm just trying to find out where I need to be going now. I think it's up here. That's that done. The other thing I wanted to say was that also with braces, I've realized that it's not just a quick fix. So it's not like you're just gonna go in today and then in 6 months time you're gonna have the perfect teeth. I mean, sometimes it's like that, but within those 6 months it just means that your other teeth are gonna be rearranged as well. So you kind of have to be prepared to have ugly teeth like while you're getting treatment, if that makes sense. Like even though you're fixing one problem, like for me, even though I was closing my front gap, like the gap started going to the side of my mouth, and it was so stressful at first, but then they just explained it that it's just kind of the process of how it works. But essentially they can't discharge you without giving you your desired results as to what you paid for. So that's what we're fixing. What else am I tell you now? I also know. Oh yeah, how much I pay, how much I pay already. Okay, so the reason why I have the clear braces in my mouth now is because, for one, obviously my treatment plan has been literally doubled and not all of it is my fault. So I was very uncomfortable with the metal ones because my food would just always get stuck in them, and it was just like, I don't know, it was just a lot more to care for, as my food would just build up in them and stuff. So I asked them to have the clear ones just so I could feel like I at least don't have braces on my front row. So that's how they end up giving me the clear ones. And you know what's crazy? Because ooh, spring is that you, baby, spring. Summertime in London, I go nice. I can't wait. I can't wait for this summer, girl. Oh, anyways, let me that's this one. Yeah, you know what the crazy thing is with the clear braces, it's more expensive by like £1,000, and they gave it to me for free. I never have to pay no extra. So that's why you must stock up. Anyways, I'm reach now. If I can bring on the inside, I'm bring on. If not, then I might have to stay outside. Let's see what this is. Hi, I have an appointment.
Sure, may I take your name, please? No problem, come through.
Thank you. Let's see if I can bring you guys in. So basically, what's left to do with my teeth is a lot of work. We got shaping to do. We got a lot of stuff to do. Let's see how we do today. Hey!
Is it Derricka?
Derricka, yeah.
How are you?
Good.
Take your time, please. Are you vlogging? Okay, please sanitize your hand.
Thank you.
Okay, just take a seat when you're ready. Just
Do you know what's going on today? I don't know what my
so you
treatment is
are
for.
booked?
But I'm not quite sure what we're doing today.
Yes, your review.
Just to see how we're going. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
I get paid to record my life, hardly. Thank you.
Diamond metal, please. Okay, let's replace this one. So I'm going to remove the composite. So. Well done. Let's take the video off.
So you think 2 more visits?
Yeah, I think 2 more visits, yeah.
And then after that, then we start the sculpting phase and whitening and that kind of stuff?
Yes.
I can't wait for that part. Daddy quick, and it's very quick. But we don't know, and them said them team only have 1 or 2 appointments left before we can start. Really that falling. You see this England where you can't live without your umbrella, cause look here. And not even 10 minutes, not even 30 minutes to the inside, and we come out and the whole place are flood out. See the whole road what's up here? And look how we just have the bright sky now, look. Grey skies! Yes, as I was saying, guys, yeah, they think I have 1 or 2 appointments left, and then we can move on to the shaping and the sculpting phase. That part I can't wait for, because that's when you get literally perfect teeth. Like, you get perfect teeth, they're gonna just line up everything and just so yeah, that's it for me. I'm gonna eat some Chinese, but not lie. They said that I should be in pain around this side, because this side needed to be tightened a little bit extra, so I may be in pain. So you feel like your whole brain is being tied up, but me, show me that the last few years now, it's not supposed to be that bad. I don't need to take the medication, but oh, yeah, lines on this side, it shouldn't be that bad where I need to take medication. Do you get what I mean? But either way, I crave Chinese, but I just buy grocery yesterday, so you know, so I forgot just ban my belly, not buying the Chinese. Sad times. Sad times. One day my friend want to buy my Chinese though. But anyways, guys, that is all from me. I'm gonna try to get me out. Boy, but I come. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna get Chinese as yet, but if I do, I'll let you guys know. If not, I'll definitely see you guys in the next vlog or in the next sit down video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to watch the ads. That's how I actually get paid. Watch the ads then, please and thanks. And share this video with anyone that you think is about to have braces, or anyone that you think needs to know about braces or whatever. That's all from me today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Bye, guys.